I'm Grant, this is Dad Crafted, and this is my Star Wars Merry Sithmas display. Alright, let's go! Alright, Christmas time's coming, so I've always wanted to do a Christmas display for the yard. I thought I'd do like a Santa and some reindeer or something like that, put some spotlights on it, but then I decided that's a little boring, so since we like Star Wars so much around here, I'm going to do something different. So instead of reindeer, we're going to do AT-ATs. Instead of Santa, we're going to do Darth Vader. Instead of a sleigh, why don't we do a Star Destroyer? These are a couple pieces of old paneling that were used as doors from a cabinet in the basement, and I was going to throw them away, but they seem like the right size for an AT-AT. I've got two of these. I've got another sheet of plywood that's an 8 foot by 4 foot that I can rip in half, and hopefully that'll give us enough for 3 AT-ATs and a Star Destroyer, and that should span close to 15 to 20 feet in length across the yard. My wife's going to love this. All right, let's go. So, we're going to make 2 AT-ATs that are the exact same. Instead of cutting this one out and then putting it over the other sheet and drawing around it and cutting it out again, we're going to attach the 2 boards together so that we only have to cut it once. To do that, we're going to take a brad nailer, we'll support you stand back. So we're going to nail it from the bottom, and the nail will come up through the board. But that's okay because we're just going to nail on the scrap the pieces that are outside. See how those pop up? Just got to watch your fingers, but as long as you're doing it on the scrap pieces, it'll keep these 2 attached. Alright, so now I've got my stupid rough sketch of Darth Vader with a Santa hat, and we've got to make it big onto this, and I really don't know how big, but he's going to look way oversized and it's going to be goofy, but whatever. We'll start drawing. Ho, ho, ho. It's like a Hoth. Sort of. Thank you guys for watching. Merry Sithmas, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays.